Document versus create. Everybody wants to make the best videos, and they want to do the best editing, and they want to have the best outfit and the best hair. But guess what? You get beat by the best speaker who puts out the content the quickest to get to the people who need it the most. You are worth it. Thank you so much. Just document. Document versus create. My hair's not perfect. My clothes aren't perfect. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. This is RV life. This is one of the lessons that I learned from Gary Vaynerchuk, who I met, who's also on my channel. You can check it out. Document versus create. Okay? Don't worry about your hair, your makeup, or anything else. The haters that are going to talk shit, don't give a crap about your mission anyway. They're never going to support you. You need to just document your journey, because you're holding back and you're robbing your audience of what they really need, which is the message. You're worth it.